Saving money over the long term plays a crucial role in building financial security. By consistently setting aside funds, individuals can better prepare for unexpected expenses and reduce financial stress. Long-term savings also provide the foundation for achieving future goals, such as buying a home, funding education, or planning for retirement. Developing good saving habits today can lead to greater stability and more opportunities in the years ahead. Establishing clear financial goals is the cornerstone of any successful savings strategy. By defining what you want to achieve, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a major purchase, or planning for retirement, you create a sense of direction and purpose for your finances. Clear goals help you prioritize your spending and make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources. This foundation not only motivates consistent saving, but also allows you to track your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Creating and maintaining a realistic budget is an essential step toward achieving financial stability. By tracking your income and expenses, you gain a clear understanding of where your money goes each month. This process helps you identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more funds toward your savings goals. Regularly reviewing your budget ensures you stay on track and can make adjustments as your financial situation changes. Ultimately, a well-managed budget empowers you to make informed decisions and build a secure financial future. An emergency fund serves as a crucial financial safety net, offering protection against unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. By setting aside money specifically for emergencies, you can avoid relying on credit cards or loans during difficult times. Experts typically recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Building this fund gradually, even with small, regular contributions, can provide peace of mind and greater financial stability. Automating your savings is a powerful way to build financial discipline. By setting up automatic transfers to a savings account, you ensure that contributions happen regularly without relying on willpower. This approach reduces the temptation to spend money that could otherwise be saved. Over time, these consistent deposits can help you reach your financial goals more efficiently. Automation makes saving effortless and helps establish a lasting habit. Reducing unnecessary expenses begins with understanding your spending habits. By tracking where your money goes, you can identify patterns and areas where you may be overspending. Making mindful choices, such as distinguishing between needs and wants, helps you prioritize essential purchases. Over time, these small adjustments can lead to significant savings and improved financial well-being. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401s or 403s, offer a valuable opportunity to save for the future. By contributing regularly, employees can benefit from tax advantages and, in many cases, employer matching contributions. Maximizing contributions to these plans can significantly increase retirement savings over time due to the power of compound growth. It's important to review annual contribution limits and adjust savings rates as income grows. Taking full advantage of these plans can help ensure greater financial security in retirement. Beyond traditional savings accounts, there are several investment options that can help build wealth over the long term. Individual retirement accounts, or IRAs, offer tax advantages that make them a popular choice for retirement planning. Investing in stocks provides the potential for higher returns, though it comes with greater risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are generally considered more stable and can provide steady income. By diversifying across these options, investors can balance risk and reward to support their long-term financial goals. Compound interest is a powerful financial concept that can significantly boost your savings over time. Unlike simple interest, which is calculated only on the initial amount, compound interest allows you to earn interest on both your original deposit and the accumulated interest from previous periods. This creates a snowball effect where your money grows faster the longer it remains invested. Even small, regular contributions can lead to substantial growth, especially when given enough time. Understanding how compound interest works is essential for making informed decisions about saving and investing for the future. Minimizing debt is essential for maintaining financial health. By managing credit responsibly, individuals can avoid accumulating high interest payments that make it hardest to pay off balances. This involves paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and only borrowing what can be comfortably repaid. Responsible credit use not only saves money, but also helps build a strong credit history for future financial opportunities. It's important to regularly review your savings plan to ensure it remains effective as your financial situation evolves. Life events, such as a new job, unexpected expenses, or changes in income, can impact your ability to save. By periodically assessing your goals and adjusting your contributions, you can stay on track and make informed decisions. This proactive approach helps you adapt to changes and maintain financial stability over time. Leveraging technology and financial tools can make tracking your savings goals much more efficient. Mobile apps and online platforms allow you to monitor your progress in real time, providing clear insights into your spending and saving habits. These tools often highlight areas where you can cut costs or redirect funds toward your goals. By regularly reviewing your financial data, you can quickly identify new opportunities to save and make informed decisions that support your long-term objectives. Engaging the entire family in saving efforts helps create a supportive environment where everyone works toward common financial goals. By discussing objectives and strategies together, each family member can understand their role and contribution. This collective approach not only strengthens financial discipline, but also fosters a sense of teamwork and accountability. Over time, shared successes can motivate the family to continue making wise financial decisions. Developing a habitat of disciplined saving can have a profound impact on your financial well-being over time. Even modest contributions, made consistently, can accumulate and grow through the power of compounding. By starting with the small, manageable steps today, you set the foundation for greater financial security and independence in the years ahead. Ultimately, these efforts can pave the way to achieving financial freedom and peace of mind in the future.